I have been always taught that eye contact is an essential component of effective communication. I think we all know by now that communication is mostly nonverbal and that the words that we say can be quickly undone by a single eye roll, shoulder turn. And so, as mediators and dispute resolvers, it's really important for us to pay attention to nonverbal gestures and, in particular, eye contact. So, in recent workshops, I've been faced with what seems to be a pretty simple question. Should we insist on face to face? Should we turn the cameras on during Zoom or Teams? And what I've learned is that the answer to that question is not simple at all. Generally, eye contact serves as a space for connection, synchronization between people, calming, but in some contexts where there's cultural differences, where there's neurodivergence, where there's trauma, eye contact can actually work in the opposite direction. And so we actually have to be very intentional and inclusive about how we choose to use eye contact. My preference is to ask parties, what feels comfortable for you? Would you like cameras on or off? And to also keep it fair. So if one party prefers to have cameras off, all cameras are off. In this article, I give you a bit more details, but I'm really keen to hear your thoughts on this one too.